You can earn more money and still feel broke. You can get a raise, get a better job, and make more than you did a few years ago, and somehow your bank account still looks almost the same. Why? Because building wealth isn't only about how much money you make. It's also about what you do with the money after you earn it. In this video, we're going through 7 money mistakes that can keep you stuck financially and what you can do differently. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, increasing your lifestyle. Every time your income increases, imagine you get a $10,000 raise. Instead of saving or investing most of that extra income, you upgrade your phone, start eating out more, subscribe to more services, and maybe decide you can finally afford a more expensive car. Your income goes up, but your expenses go up too. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people can earn a good salary but still have very little left over. The solution isn't to stop enjoying your money. Instead, when your income increases, try giving every raise a purpose. For example, you could save or invest a portion of the increase before increasing your lifestyle. That way, your standard of living can improve, but your financial future improves too. Mistake number 2, not knowing where your money goes. You don't necessarily need a complicated spreadsheet, but you should know where your money's going. Think about the last